Hi guys, Amelia Abel from New Horizons Lifestyle. How are you? This is Seraya and it's school holidays at the moment and we've just been playing, making hammocks in the trees.
It's a tree house.
Tree house, it's your tree house, and we made a little hammock for Ezra who fell out of his, of course. But I wanted to talk today about the value of spending quality time with the people you love. It's very, very easy to get busy and caught up in the things we need to do. We have plenty of responsibilities as adults. Our work, taking care of the home, cooking, cleaning, just taking care of the family, and there's not a lot of time left for ourselves as mums usually. But it's really important to actually take time out to spend with your loved ones, whether it's your children, your husband, your own parents, your friends, whatever it is. We all have different people who are very important to our lives. Seraya, I have a question for you. So when I stop, don't do that, Bob. When I actually stop washing the dishes, whatever I'm doing, working on the computer, to come and play with you, to help you set up a hammock, to help you sew, whatever it is, how does that make you feel? Don't get it? How does it make you feel if I don't stop and I say, wait, just wait till I finish this, wait till I finish that, wait till I finish this?
That you don't care about.
She said that it makes her feel like I don't care about her, which is actually quite gut-wrenching. So when I do stop to help you, that makes you feel like I do care about you. And does it give you good memories when we do that? Yeah. If I stop for long enough, then when I go to do my own work, does that make you feel better because you've already spent some time with me? Yeah. So it's really important that we do stop, spend some quality time, not only for their well-being, for ours, for goodness sakes. I mean, we have children for a reason. We had a desire for a family and then we don't spend time with them. That doesn't make sense. So it's good for our soul. It's good for their soul. When their soul is well fed, then they leave us in peace a lot more to get on with our work as well. They're not crying for attention and playing up accordingly. So that was just a quick little encouragement to stop and take time out with your loved ones. It doesn't have to be a whole week, it doesn't have to be a whole day, but a little bit every day. If you make at least 15 minutes undivided attention for them every day, I think you'll find that that'll make a much better quality of life for you and for everyone. Have a great day, guys, and we'll talk again next time.